Researchers have evolved a way to 3D print living skin, complete with blood vessels. It has been considered as an important step toward creating grafts that are more like our skin. Associate Professor Pankaj Karande said, "Whatever is available as a clinical product these days only provides some accelerated wound healing, but it never really integrates with the host cells. A blockade to that integration has been the deficiency of a functioning vascular system in the skin grafts." Karande has been working on this challenge for ages. The grafts have given hope to help people with more discrete issues such as diabetic or pressure ulcers. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Steam Daily newsletter for such amazing latest content on science and technology. Please also subscribing out YouTube channel. You can also visit us on steamdaily.com.